My version of the Outlook email app. This is the first page, the loading page. You open the app and then it pulls this up and you type in your email. Once you are logged in, it'll take you to a screen to confirm that you want to use the account that you signed into. And then it has a terms and service agreement that you have to agree to, or else you won't be able to use the app. And then they give you a final option of adding another account so that all of your email is in one place, but I did not do that for this rendition. So the normal inbox doesn't have these lines here and no check mark and no more options. Instead, it has 3 lines where more options are. There's no lines here, and if you haven't opened anything up, it's just a dark circle. I decided to change that to a check mark to show that you've opened it, and the circle to show that you haven't opened it to give a little bit more clarity. And then I moved the create email button down here so that there are 3 buttons down here, and then the filter and the write email were not all in the same place. This is what the email screen looks like. It has the subject bar, who you're sending it to. There's normally a little bar right here that has a picture of a paperclip and a calendar, but I decided to give the attachments and calendar their own buttons just for added clarity. Here you can choose what kind of attachment you want to use, or what kind of attachment you want to put on your email, and then send the email. Come back to this screen, and then, like I said, instead of the 3 bars, there's the more options. So you can click that. Here I added a line here and titled it more options so that people can understand what they're looking at. If people aren't used to using this kind of technology, then it'll help clarify things. I added another circle on the left with a folder on it so that people can create more folders that they can put their emails to organize things. And then I decided to get rid of the gear in the bottom left and then just use a font that says settings so that it can get rid of any confusion that the image might bring. And then you go in here to confirm that this is your account, and then there's an option to delete the account. Click that, and then you have the option to delete it from the device or from all the devices that have it installed. And so I would go ahead and do this.